Welcome to another edition of the Glenwood Springs Chamber Ambassadors Corner. My name is Mike Pecori with W.J. Bradley Mortgage. I'm here with Robbie Stewardson from Glenwood Commercial Center. How are you doing today, Robbie?
I'm doing really well, thanks.
Just wanted to say thank you for joining us here today and tell us a little bit about your company, how you guys got started. How'd you guys get into this adventure?
We are a small group of entrepreneurs, mostly got started in real estate investment. Through building and development, we would buy land, build homes, build subdivisions. Kind of got caught up in the market down here in 2008. Actually headed up north to North Dakota, had a lot of success in real estate following the oil and gas boom up there. And we funneled that success back down here and got into acquiring larger existing properties that we could manage and sort of turn around if they were stalled projects like this one had been. So that's really how we got our start, and kind of how we got to where we are today.
Okay, and you took over this space, came in and bought it this year. Who is your primary target? Who are you looking for to rent, to buy? What exactly are you looking for?
Absolutely. We're looking for anyone and everyone. We're looking for entrepreneurs that are looking to start a business. We are looking for existing businesses that maybe have outgrown their space, maybe need more of a captive audience, maybe need more visibility like we have here. Maybe a business that's doing well, but their price per square foot where they're renting now is really taken away from their bottom line. We can offer them a lot of solutions to really grow and develop their business.
And are you fairly flexible on your terms for your leases? Do you require a certain amount of time? How are you working your lease situation?
We are pretty flexible on our leases. We would like something in the 2 to 3 year range. We would consider a year for the right tenant. We are really not looking for anything super long term because we're not sure what's going to happen yet, and we don't want to put anybody in a position that they maybe regret 3 years from now, and maybe the market doesn't work in their favor, maybe it does work in their favor, and so we can offer them an opportunity to renegotiate at that time frame. But yes, we are very flexible, and we are willing to work with any and all potential tenants that come our way.
Tenant-wise, we noticed some of the buildings up above here that there's some contractor spaces, possibly with some garage doors, things like that. You're looking for tenants like that as well?
Absolutely. We have a lot of flexible space, and this is a mixed-use property, so we do have a lot of professional office space, things like the space that we're in now that can be used for a showroom, a small office, a retail location. We do have a lot of sort of warehouse industrial type space with large overhead doors. We do have some plumbing companies that are here, a couple of construction companies as well that utilize that space to further their business, and those spaces are flexible for them, a little more industrial, but that's what they tend to look for. So yes, we can offer space for the electrician or the retail front, absolutely.
Okay, and how big are some of these spaces? Do you have a lot of spaces available? What can you break up spaces? Kind of what are the sizes and what's available?
Absolutely. Our spaces average approximately 1,200 to 1,250 square feet, give or take, depending on the building and where it sits. You can combine a lot of these spaces in certain buildings, and you could have a continuous 7,000 square feet if you needed that kind of space. We do have a minimum we are shooting for is that 1,200 square feet. The spaces tend to be adequate for a lot of those types of businesses, and what we're offering for our lease terms and our lease rates, you can get a lot of space for not a lot of money, so it's really a great opportunity in that respect.
And great. And where are you guys located? A lot of people won't know by your address. How do they find this place? How do they get in contact with you?
Absolutely. Our address is 2550 Highway 82, and I know that doesn't mean a lot to a lot of folks because if you're like me, we use landmarks. We are just to the, southeast of McDonald's and Walmart. We are right on the county line. There is a group of storage units that is right next to us. We do share an entryway with them. We are on, what you would consider the north end of the road. And you can't miss us. We're a large commercial property, about 55,000 square feet.
And how do they get in contact with you? Do you have a website, phone number? How do they get in contact with you if they're interested in looking at the properties?
Absolutely. We are so new to getting this property off the ground that I'm just giving everybody my phone number. It's 970-390-1540. My name is Robbie Stewardson, and you can contact me anytime to to view a space. I can answer any questions that you have at that time.
Great. Anything else you'd like to add that we maybe missed?
I don't think you missed anything. I think we just want everyone to know that we are here. This property we are leasing this property. It is open. It is a great opportunity right now. If you're thinking of starting a business, if you're thinking of expanding your business, if you're thinking of moving your business, please come take a look at our spaces. I know that we have the right opportunity for you to really grow and thrive here.
Okay. Well, thank you again, Robbie Stewardson with Glenwood Commercial Center, and I'm Mike Pecori with W.J. Bradley Mortgage in Glenwood Springs. Thank you.